Hey guys, my name is Dimitri and this is a video for 2005 Toyota Sienna. This one is XLE model, 150,000 miles. Actually it's a local trade-in vehicle, so it's been traded to us, and the guy bought a newer one. And as you can see, this one actually in very good condition. The body looks great, very well maintained, well kept. Again, it's in very good shape, looks and drives great. It's got clean Carfax report, a lot of service record there. Fog lights, nice tires all around. Very minimal wear. Few small dinks on the hood. Alloy wheels. Again, tires in good condition. It's got close interior, which is again for these miles and for this year, as you can see, very clean, just came from the detail. Beautiful minivan for 7900, climate control radio, no lights on. It's got fresh oil, power windows, power locks. Again, seats looks great, no rips, no tears. And again, this is a Toyota, well known, very reliable. Headliner looks good too. So if you guys looking for inexpensive minivan for your family, we have it right here. 05, 150,000 miles, 17900, located at Car City Inc. in Palatine. We do have a finance available. We have probably around 150 cars in stock. So yeah, if you're looking for a used vehicle, stop by, call the number. Free copy of the Carfax report available for all our cars, and I'm sure you will be happy with our service. Thank you for looking for this video, and have a great day.